Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. How can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy Kalan method books.
Okay. Here it is.
It seems really nice book, right?
Yes.
You recommend this book?
Yes, I have read it once, and this is very nice. I would like to recommend it you.
You want me to read this as well?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to buy another book. Do you recommend anything?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Here it is.
What's this about?
It's for improving your English language.
Okay, right. I'm actually want this book for a long time. Thank you.
You're
How
welcome.
much both of this book?
It's total 700 taka.
Thank you. Can you give me any discount?
I give you 100 less, 600.
That's really nice. So sweet of you.
Would you like to buy cash or online payment?
Okay, I want to give you cash. Okay?
All right.
Here it is your
Thank
money.
you so much.
Thank you. It was nice shopping. Thank you. Bye.
Hello,
Hi, how can I help you?
do you have the Kalan method book?
Yes. Let's see.
Thank you. How much is this?
This is 500.
All right. I want to buy an IELTS book as well. Do you have them?
Yes. Let's see.
Okay, all right. What is the total amount?
It's total amount 700 taka.
All right. Here you are.
Thank you. You'll keep the change.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, can I help you?
Hello, I would like to buy a Kalan method book.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Okay. Can I have this book?
Yeah, sure.
How much is this?
This one is 500 taka.
Okay. I would like to buy a IELTS book as well.
Yes, there is one.
How much is this?
This one is 200 taka.
So what is the sum?
The total sum of 700 taka.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you. Coming.
Okay. Thank you. Assalamu